coffee syrup and seaweed. Let's go! Let it go! Hola amigos! So for today's video, I'm actually in a motel right now. We're on a little vacation. If you want to see what we're doing here, go on over to my vlog channel, Aviary, and over there you can see what we're doing here in this motel, in this beachfront hotel. And it's super pretty here, so you better check it out. So let's start with this dare number 2. Thank you so much for all of the dares. So let's start with the first one. I'm dying, sorry. Blurry pilots is the first one with the dares. Combine 2 foods that should never go together and take a big bite. Okay, so I need to go and get some food for that. 1 second. I saw the perfect combination. I have a cough right now, so I'm drinking coughing syrup. I'm really drinking coughing syrup. Like I'm not just drinking it just for this video. I actually have to drink it. But here are 2 foods that should never go together: coughing syrup and seaweed. So let's take some seaweed and put it in the coughing syrup. Oh my god. Oh no. I don't know how to do this. Should we just like break it? African coconut coughing syrup with the seaweed. I'm going to barf. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. That was the worst thing I've ever tasted. Oh my god. Don't ever try this, guys. It's so gross. Like my whole body started shivering. Ew. Eat the snack without using your hands. Let's do the seaweed again. It's already here. So without using my hands. Easy enough. Oh no! Go outside and sing a clip of your favorite Disney song at the top of your lungs. I'm sorry, it's an outside one again. You should be sorry. Okay guys, let's go out. Okay guys, I'm going out. Wow. Let it go! Let it go! Be one with the wind and snow. Let it go! Let it go! Da-da-da-dee-da-doo! It's not okay for you guys. Nobody's here to watch me though, but yeah, that's my song of Let It Go. Not that it's my favorite, but I guess it can be my favorite for today. I don't know I can't think of any other Disney songs. Okay, let's go inside. Alright, I'm back inside. Thank you so much for making me do that, blurry pilots. Oh my god. Here's another fun one. Do the moonwalk. I'm not a dancer and I don't know how to do this. That's not how you moonwalk. Slide, slide, slide and slide. Try to put a cloth item or accessory on you without using your hands. Oh my god, you can totally see my tan line. See? Whiter, darker, whiter, darker. It's from the Philippines, guys. I look crazy on camera. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm not going to be able. I can still use my elbows, right? Wait, if I put this, how am I not supposed to put? How am I supposed to put it through my hands if I'm not allowed to use my hands? I think it's okay to put it on like this now, because how am I supposed to put it on? Okay. Say the alphabet backwards. Okay, so a fun fact about me, I don't know the alphabet because I'm dyslexic, and my whole life I've struggled with the alphabet because every time I try to learn it, I forget it the next day. So I don't even know it, you know, the right way. So doing it backwards is even worse. Z, Y, X, W, U, V, U, S, T, Q. Oh my god, I'm so bad. O, N, M, I, H, F, E, D, C, D, A. Oh my god. C, B, A. I mean, oh my god. I'm dyslexic. Okay, that's my excuse for everything. Every time I don't know something, I'm like, I'm dyslexic, so that's why I don't know it. Run around the room imitating a monkey. That's easy because I already look like one. Make up a story about the item on your right. This is the item on my right. It's the cap lens for the camera. Let's do some effects. And music, please. Okay. Once upon a time there was a lonely cap lens. And her name was Canon Cap. She was walking around and she found another friend, Canon, which I'm using to film right now. Canon 700D. And Canon Cap fell so in love with the Canon 700D lens, and she just wanted to sit on it. Be together for the rest of their lives. The end. Okay, that sucked. Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star while beatboxing. I don't know how to beatbox. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder how you are. Get on all fours and act like you're a dog until the next turn. Okay. Wait, can I be a human now, or or will I do the push-ups as a dog? Is that how you do, like that? Wait, why am I doing exercise? Oh, I don't want to do exercise. Okay, should I do them girl style or man style? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, I totally cheated, like on every push-up. You know, I don't have strong hands. They're very limpy. Are you guys telling me something like get more fit or something? Why are all these physical? Oh, take a funny selfie with your mom. My mommy here. She's in America, guys. How am I supposed to do a selfie with her? Okay, let's just pull up a picture and put my mom here. And let's do a selfie. Smile, mama. Oh, go away. That's so sad. Okay, moving on. Say this tongue twister. Okay. She sells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Seashells, seashore, seashore. That was good though. I was able to do it right, so 1 point for Gryffindor. I'm actually not Gryffindor. Every time I take that stupid test, I'm always Hufflepuff. Why am I Hufflepuff? I want to be with Harry. Be like a mime and act like you're stuck in a box. Should we have some music for this? Okay. I just acted like a mime got stuck in a box. Wait, that was it there. No, I mean, I acted as if the box was, you know, closing in on me or something. I was like, oh, do sign language. The only thing I know is Bae, because I watched Switch at Birth, and her name sign is Bae because she has curly hair. So I have curly hair too, so I could be like Maria, right? This is like applaud. It's like clapping your hands. You do like this. Draw something in 30 seconds. Okay. 2, 1, start. I'm trying to draw my mom, but it's not going so well. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry, Mama. This does not look like my mom. Wait, I should draw like Candice because she loves candy. How many seconds have we left? Oh, it's already been 30 seconds. I cheated. Let me show you a close-up of my beautiful artwork. So this is my mom. Do the dab, whip, and nene. I know I'm a YouTuber and everything, but I do not know how to do the whip or the nene. So I have to like research that on YouTube. I know the dab is like go like that, right? I feel like I'm a crazy person when I do that. Logan Paul is like this is like a robot dance. You go like that. Is that where they got it from? A robot dance? Oh, so the whip is that thing, and then nene is that. Dab, whip, and nene. Oh, I feel so old. I feel so old not knowing those. Okay, this one is from Carla in Calif. Say the alphabet in Tagalog without reading them. I'm only half Filipino, guys, so excuse, you know, the bad Filipino, because I do not know the alphabet in English. So how the heck am I supposed to know it in Tagalog? It's something like abacada daba daba kukukaka. Wait, let me actually search it. Abacada. Oh, I was right with abacada. 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 Kalamana nga pasatawaya muno nga puso yo. I feel like that's wrong. That didn't sound like the Filipino alphabet. From So Me, he or she dares me to do a really crazy hairstyle. My hair is already a crazy hairstyle. Here's a crazy hairstyle. It looks like a mullet. Mullet? This is from Damaso Sibayan. By the way, you have the cutest dog in your thumbnail or in your profile picture. So cute. She dares me to sing Bahay Kubo. I'm only half, I don't know. I mean, I'm lucky enough to actually know how to speak the language. Bahay Kubo, kahit munti, si banano, kano, sigarilyos at mani, sigarato at karne, pipino at mani, aso, pusa, at bahay. If you don't know Tagalog, you might think I actually sung the song, but I didn't. I only sung like maybe 5% of the song because I don't know the song. Sagun Araya, make confetti out of tissue. Again, we don't have tissue here. We didn't bring it with us. We have toilet tissue paper, but ew. So I will just take my mom's picture that I drew and make that into confetti. I'm totally dying right now, guys. This will be so much fun to clean up afterward. In 3, 2, 1. Yay! Now I have so much to clean up, and that's so much fun, you know. I don't like mess. Look. Yay! Eat a teaspoon of any sauce. Okay, I just read the comment again and it said teaspoon, not tablespoon, and I totally got a tablespoon instead of a teaspoon, but okay. This is homemade sauce, like onion with vinegar, I think. So I took 1 tablespoon and I just poured it in here. You guys are so mean. That sauce is like so good with salad, but by itself it's so sour. Thank you so much for giving me you guys' stares. Hair videos are one of my new favorite things to film on Art and Beauty Freak, actually. So if you have more dares, don't be afraid to leave them down below. Leave crazy ones, like super crazy ones. I would love to do those as well for dare video number 3. And also leave any video requests of your choice. Some people have been asking me for a Q&A, so I need questions for that. So leave your questions down below if you want me to do another Q&A. Also go over to my 3rd channel, Aryaville. Over in there I do tons of vlogs, and I'm currently in New Zealand, so you will see all of my adventures here. Go down below and subscribe to this channel, Art and Beauty Freak. Thank you guys, and turn on the post notifications so you know when I upload a new video. Thanks guys, and go to my mom's 3 channel, Scorpion YT and Scorpion ASMR. Thanks guys, I know so many links. But yeah, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver, and I will see you next week, hopefully without a cough. So yeah, adios amigos, thanks for watching, gracias por ver.